Google is changing AI search again, and this update could decide who gets clicks and who gets ignored. Google just announced that its AI-powered search feature, AI Mode, will start linking to more sources directly inside AI-generated answers. But here's the twist. AI Mode will now add short AI-written explanations that tell users why those sources matter before they ever click. In Google's example, AI Mode explains that certain articles offer budget-friendly decor ideas like secondhand shopping, small design upgrades, and DIY projects. Those explanations appear above the links, not buried below them. Here's the real insight. Google is trying to balance two things at once: keeping users inside AI search while proving it still supports publishers. And the timing matters. This change comes just days after the European Commission opened an investigation into whether Google is using publishers' content in AI features without proper compensation. Google has also pushed back on claims that AI summaries reduce clicks, saying traffic has stayed relatively stable. At the same time, Google is testing partnerships with major outlets like The Guardian, The Washington Post, and The Washington Examiner. Some experiments place AI-written summaries directly inside Google News. Google is also working with the Associated Press to deliver real-time updates through the Gemini app. Quick pause. If you want to stay ahead of where AI and search are going, like this video, subscribe and drop a comment. It helps this channel grow and keeps these updates coming. Google is also expanding preferred sources globally, letting English-speaking users choose which news outlets appear in top stories. A new feature will highlight links from your own subscriptions in a dedicated carousel, rolling out first in Gemini and later in AI Mode. Google also upgraded WebGuide, its AI-powered way of organizing search results. It now loads twice as fast and appears for more searches. The takeaway is simple. AI search is not killing sources. It's changing how trust, visibility, and traffic are earned. If you create content, run a business, or rely on search, you need to adapt now, not later. Watch the related video in the corner to see what this shift really means for your strategy, and take action before AI search leaves you behind.